As Bulwer Lytton says, comma, if we serve mankind, we serve ourselves, full stop. I believe there will be some who will say they will think about it, comma, and pending their decision, full stop. I would urge them to reflect that men are naturally inclined to doubt the truth of such statements, full stop. Then there are others who hesitate in some other respects, semicolon, perhaps, comma, in order to count on the material advantages or disadvantages of such a course, full stop, for their own sake, comma. I would ask them to change their view of life, comma, and they are sure to benefit more than their worldly thoughts could possibly have suggested, full stop. The wise men of the past have assured us that in their opinion the best course of life is that which suppresses the selfishness inherent in man, comma, and I think there will be many, comma, from their experience, comma, will support them in their statement, full stop. Whether I address you as my dear sir, comma, my dear madam, comma, or my dear fellow citizen, comma, let me ask you to ponder over this matter and to remember that in the beautiful words of Adelaide Proctor, comma, glorious it is to wear a crown of a deserved and pure success, semicolon, and though there is much that may baffle you, in order to carry out this high ideal, comma, it is as true today as ever it was that without sympathy nothing is understood, full stop, close.